So welcome to today's session. This session's about restoring confidence when negatively impacted. In this exercise, I'm going to share how mindfulness can help restore feelings of confidence that may have been negatively impacted over time. Many survivors of very difficult circumstances will get to this stage in this mindfulness path. And with an even stronger sense of themselves and a deeper appreciation for their own resourcefulness. But trauma and deep internal challenges can leave its mark on confidence, attitudes, relationships and behaviour long after the core wound is healed. Mindfulness practices can help you to feel more confidence in yourself, restoring you to your own original authenticity. Over time, you may have developed the tendency to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for the signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. Of course, it's healthy to look out for danger, but it can be unhealthy if we're not balancing it out by remembering the 99% of the time when we're actually okay in each present moment. I always say 80% of what we worry about doesn't happen. 15% we can't do anything about. So in reality, we only have 5% to worry about. So if you learn to acknowledge your monitoring without letting it take over, you will stop undermining your confidence in your current state of okayness. By opening up and bringing mindfulness to all of the positive states of being throughout your day, your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit, drop by drop, until your water bucket of self-confidence is full and embodied. The more you open up to your sense of being okay in this moment, moment by moment, the more your nervous system will relax, the more embodied you will feel, and the more internal resources you will feel are available to you. By also bringing mindfulness to more and more moments of safety, health, happiness, and peace, you will automatically increase self-confidence with you and feel more confident about others. So when you're ready, just relax. Just close your eyes if possible. If not, just look down gently and just focus on your breathing. And I want you to bring to your awareness the feeling that you're okay in this moment. You're safe in this moment. If you're breathing, then there's more right than wrong with you. When you're present You have resources to choose how to relate to your experience. Excellent, well done. I hope you feel more confident about yourself in this moment. To recap, trauma can leave its mark on confidence, attitudes, relationships, and behaviour long after the core wound is healed. You may have developed the tendency to over-monitor everything in your experience, looking out for the signs of danger, harm, or anything unpleasant. But by opening up and bringing mindfulness to all of the positive states of being throughout your day, your sense of self-confidence will grow bit by bit. I hope this exercise has been helpful for you. Just restoring the confidence within you. Thank you.